Email marketing is one of the most effective tools for engaging with your audience and growing your business. But let's be real. If your emails aren't getting opened, all that time you spend crafting the perfect campaign is wasted. Improving your email open rates is essential, especially if you don't have a dedicated marketing team behind you. But don't worry, you don't need a huge team or a ton of fancy software to get you started. You just need the right approach. So in this video, we'll dive into practical tips that'll help you improve your email open rates without needing to hire a marketing department. We'll focus on simple, actionable steps using Brevo's tools and best practices, so you can start seeing better engagement from your email campaigns right away. So let's get started. The importance of email open rates. And before we dive into the specifics, let's take a moment to understand why email open rates matter. The open rate is a key indicator of how effective your email marketing is. It shows the percentage of recipients who open your email out of the total number sent. Simply put, if people aren't opening your emails, they're not engaging with your content, and that means fewer opportunities to drive sales, build relationships, or even just stay top of mind. A higher open rate means your emails are being delivered successfully, and more importantly, that your recipients trust you enough to engage with what you're sending them. If you've been struggling with low open rates, then don't worry. The good news is there are plenty of strategies that you can use to fix this. And even better, you don't need a large team to put them into practice. Sender reputation. Make your emails feel personal. Now, one of the most important factors affecting email open rates is your sender reputation. Think about it. Would you open an email from a no reply at company.com or info@business.com? Probably not. Generic, faceless email addresses scream spam, and your recipients will avoid them. Instead, make sure that your sender name feels personal. For example, using a name like your first name at yourcompany.com is far more inviting than just your company name at yourcompanyname.com. You're not trying to be a corporation. You're trying to connect with your recipients as a person, someone that they trust. One quick tip, if you're using Brevo, make sure to personalize your email address. You can set it up with your domain like john@yourcompany.com instead of relying on free email services like Gmail or Yahoo. It might seem like a small detail, but it helps your emails look more professional and increases the chances of them being opened. Crafting compelling subject lines. The subject line is the first thing your recipients see when your email lands in their inbox. And if it doesn't grab their attention, it's unlikely they'll even bother to open it. That's why crafting a good subject line is absolutely crucial to improving your open rates. Keep it short and sweet. Most email clients allow only about 40 to 60 characters in the subject line, so you don't have a lot of space to work with. Be concise while still getting to the point. You want to tease the content of the email without giving everything away. Personalize it. Personalization works wonders in email marketing. Try adding your recipient's first name, referencing a past purchase or interaction, or even addressing a specific pain point. For example, John, your discount awaits, or how to save time on your next project. Use actionable language. Action verbs. Think get, discover, unlock, join. Make your subject line feel more dynamic and encourage people to act. The idea is to make the recipient feel like they're missing out on something important if they don't open your email right away. A touch of curiosity. Curiosity is a powerful motivator. Use subject lines that spark intrigue, but be careful not to be too vague or misleading. If your recipient feels like they were tricked, then you risk them unsubscribing. For example, you won't believe this offer is more compelling than our new offer. It makes them want to know more. Add emojis when appropriate. Emojis help your subject line stand out among all the plain text in an inbox. They're an easy way to add personality and grab attention. But remember, moderation is key, so don't overdo it. Use emojis that complement your message, not replace the words. Timing is everything. Send your emails at the right time. Once you've crafted the perfect subject line, it's time to think about when to send your emails. The timing of your campaigns can greatly affect your open rates, so know your audience. Timing depends largely on your audience's behavior. Are they working professionals who check their emails first thing in the morning, or are they night owls who tend to catch up on emails before bed? You'll need to experiment to figure out what works best for your specific audience. If you're unsure, Brevo's send time optimization feature can help. This feature analyzes your subscribers' past engagement and it automatically sends your email at the optimal time for each recipient. Don't overwhelm your audience. How often should you send emails? It's important to strike a balance. If you send emails too frequently, you risk annoying your subscribers and prompting them to unsubscribe. But if you don't send emails often enough, your subscribers might forget who you are. Brevo's A/B testing can help you experiment with sending frequency, so you can find the right balance for your audience. Try sending at different times and frequencies, and track the results to see when your emails get better responses. Segment your audience for more relevant content. One of the most effective ways to boost your email open rates is by making your emails more relevant to your subscribers. This is where segmentation comes in. Segmentation is the practice of grouping your email list based on specific criteria, such as demographics, past purchases, or engagement levels. This ensures that you're sending the right message to the right person at the right time. For example, let's say you have an online store. You can segment your list based on customers who have purchased a certain product and send them follow-up emails with related products or discounts. By doing this, your emails will feel more personal and tailored to each subscriber's interests, increasing the likelihood that they'll open your email. Brevo makes it really easy to segment your list using custom tags or behavioral data. This allows you to send hyper-targeted messages that are more likely to get opened and acted upon. Keep your email list clean. Now, it's easy to collect a lot of contacts, but keeping your list up to date and free of inactive subscribers is critical for improving your email open rates. If you're regularly sending emails to people who aren't engaging with your content, your deliverability will suffer. Clean your list regularly. Regularly remove contacts who haven't engaged with your emails in months. Inactive subscribers drag down your engagement rates and can negatively impact your sender reputation. Brevo helps you maintain list hygiene by allowing you to identify and block inactive contacts automatically. Use double opt-in. A double opt-in process is a great way to ensure that your subscribers actually want to receive your emails. This extra step confirms their interest and helps prevent invalid email addresses or spam traps from entering your list. It's a simple way to keep your list healthy and increase engagement. Test, test, test. Before you hit send, always test your emails. This is an easy step that many marketers overlook, but it can save you from making simple mistakes that could hurt your open rates. Preview your emails. Check how your email will appear across different devices and email clients. Is it mobile friendly? Are the links working correctly? Does the design look good? Take the time to test everything before sending it out. A/B test your campaigns. A/B testing is one of the best ways to figure out what works for your audience. Try testing different subject lines, CTAs, or even sending times to see what resonates with your subscribers. This will help you refine your strategy over time and improve your open rates. So if you want to get started with Brevo, we'll have a link for you down in the description, which will bring you to this page right here. And you can go ahead and get 50% off when you use code SASReport just by clicking the link down in the description and using that code. So once you go ahead and choose a plan and you sign up for Brevo, this is what the inside of it looks like. To go ahead and create a new campaign, you come over here to the left-hand side and click on campaigns. Now, what's great about Brevo is that they have tons of templates. So we'll go ahead and click on that to get started. So to go ahead and create a new email campaign, we'll go ahead and click on campaigns and then click on email. You can go ahead and name your campaign if this is just a regular campaign, or you can go ahead and do an A/B test. So we'll just go ahead and call this test campaign and click create campaign. So you can choose the sender and then you can choose your recipients. Since I just signed up for this account, there are no recipients. You can go ahead and work on your subject line here. So what's great about Brevo is that it gives you a little preview text on what it'll look like on a mobile device, which is great because it'll show you sort of how much gets cut off. So this is a test subject line, so you can see what gets cut off. And as you can see, the whole thing isn't in there. So you want to keep your subject lines concise. Go ahead and click save on that. Next, there's the design. So you can come in here and start designing. So there's a lot of different layouts that you can go ahead and use within Brevo, which is nice. So for this, we'll go ahead and just keep it simple because sometimes, these over-branded emails kind of turn off people from opening up and actually reading your emails. So go ahead and click on use this template for the simple one. And this is what the email builder looks like. So we have different blocks we can use on the left-hand side here. There's different sections that we can go ahead and create that combine text and images, or just text, images, headers, footers, and signatures, as well as anything saved. So you can go ahead and save your favorite content to easily reuse it throughout different emails. So that's a quick little tour on Brevo. And if you use the tips that we went over in this video, you're going to increase your email open rate dramatically. So improving your email open rates isn't something that happens overnight. It takes time, experimentation, and a focus on providing value to your subscribers. But with the right strategies in place, you can see significant improvements without needing a marketing team. So use the tips we covered today to optimize your email campaigns. Focus on crafting engaging subject lines, segmenting your audience, sending emails at the right time, and keeping your list clean. With Brevo's tools and best practices, you'll be well on your way to increasing your open rates and driving better results from your email marketing efforts. Remember, email marketing is all about building relationships with your audience. The more personal, relevant, and timely your emails are, the more likely your subscribers will be to engage with them. So stay consistent and watch your email open rates improve. And if you want to get started with Brevo, we'll have a link for you down in the description below. If you use code SASReport, you can get 50% off the starter and the business plan when you sign up for an annual plan. Now, this is an affiliate link, which means that we earn a small commission when you use it at no extra cost to you. And these commissions really help support the channel and allow us to continue to create free content just like this. So if you end up using it, we thank you so much in advance. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on this channel, we provide in-depth reviews and comparisons of different SaaS tools to help you find the best software solutions for streamlining your business and boosting your productivity. So be sure to subscribe. But other than that, thanks for watching. We'll see you here in the next video.